Question number 1. A rare inscription related to Vikramaditya I of the Badami Chalukya dynasty was recently found in which state? Option A, Tamil Nadu. B, Karnataka. C, Kerala. D, Andhra Pradesh. Answer is option B, Karnataka. Question number 2. Where was the first National Meditation Conference 2025 inaugurated? Option A, New Delhi. B, Chennai. C, Mumbai. D, Hyderabad. Answer is option A, New Delhi. Question number 3. Which institute has developed a 3D computational model to study thermoregulation in space? Option A, Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. B, Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. C, Indian Institute of Space, Science and Technology. D, Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Answer is option C, Indian Institute of Space, Science and Technology. Question number 4. Which state has become the first fully literate state in India? Option A, Assam. B, Uttar Pradesh. C, Uttarakhand. D, Mizoram. Answer is option D, Mizoram. Question number 5. In which country has West Nile virus been detected for the first time in mosquitoes? Option A, Australia. B, United Kingdom. C, Russia. D, China. Answer is option B, United Kingdom. Question number 6. What is the IUCN status of Asiatic lion that was recently seen in news? Option A, endangered. B, critically endangered. C, vulnerable. D, least concern. Answer is option C, vulnerable. Question number 7. Banglar Bari housing scheme was launched by which state government? Option A, West Bengal. B, Assam. C, Odisha. D, Sikkim. Answer is option A, West Bengal. Question number 8. Which city has become the fourth capital city in the Northeast region to be connected to the railway network? Option A, Imphal. B, Gangtok. C, Kohima. D, Aizawl. Answer is option D, Aizawl. Question number 9. India has launched its first 3 nanometer chip design centers in which cities? Option A, New Delhi and Bhopal. B, Noida and Bengaluru. C, Hyderabad and Lucknow. D, Indore and Chennai. Answer is option B, Noida and Bengaluru. Question number 10. Which state has become the first in India to make robotics education compulsory for class 10th students? Option A Tamil Nadu, B Odisha, C Kerala, D Madhya Pradesh. Answer is option C Kerala. Question number 11. What is the name of the civil defense mock drill recently conducted in various cities of India? Option A Operation Abhyas, B Operation Suraksha, C Operation Kavach, D Operation Raksha. Answer is option A Operation Abhyas. Question number 12. Swarnim Jayanti Mukhyamantri Shahri Vikas Yojana was launched by which state government? Option A Maharashtra, B Gujarat, C Tamil Nadu, D Rajasthan. Answer is option B Gujarat. Question number 13. What is the theme of 9th India Mobile Congress 2025? Option A New Digital Universe, B Global Digital Innovation, C The Future is Now, D Innovate to Transform. Answer is option D Innovate to Transform. Question number 14. Which state government has introduced aggregator policy for app-based cab services in May 2025? Option A Tamil Nadu, B Gujarat, C Maharashtra, D Madhya Pradesh. Answer is option C Maharashtra. Question number 15. Which state government has launched the Pandit Lakshmi Chand Kalakar Samajik Samman Yojana in May 2025? Option A Uttarakhand, B Haryana, C Punjab, D Bihar. Answer is option B Haryana. Question number 16. Which Indian city has issued India's first certified green municipal board? Option A Bangalore, B Pune, C Indore, D Ghaziabad. Answer is option D Ghaziabad. Question number 17. Larry Devi Temple that was recently seen in news is located in which state? Option A Goa, B Gujarat, C Maharashtra, D Odisha. Answer is option A Goa. Question number 18. Which country has become the first in the world to develop genome edited rice varieties? Option A Vietnam, B Japan, C India, D China. Answer is option C India. Question number 19. Coal Miners Day is observed annually on which day? Option A 10th May, B 4th May, C 21st May, D 6th May. Answer is option B 4th May. Question number 20. Which state has become the first in India to introduce a shipbuilding policy? Option A Maharashtra, B Uttar Pradesh, C Uttarakhand, D Gujarat. Answer is option A Maharashtra. Question number 21. Which state has received a geographical indication tag for Sangri bean? Option A Bihar, B Gujarat, C Rajasthan, D Tamil Nadu. Answer is option C Rajasthan. Question number 22. What is the name of the initiative launched by Indian Coast Guard to protect olive ridley turtles in Odisha? Option A Operation Sea Turtle, B Operation Olivia, C Operation Green Nest, D none of the above. Answer is option B Operation Olivia. Question number 23. Which ministry has launched Deepo Darpan portal, Ann Mitra app and Ann Sahayata platform to improve India's public distribution system? Option A Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, B Ministry of Commerce and Industry, C Ministry of Science and Technology, D Ministry of Agriculture. Answer is option A Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Question number 24. Which state has emerged as the leading state in mobile recovery through the Central Equipment Identity Register portal? Option A Karnataka, B Maharashtra, C Tamil Nadu, D Telangana. Answer is option D Telangana. Question number 25. As per the recent World Economic Outlook by the IMF, India has surpassed which country to become fourth largest economy globally? Option A France, B Japan, C Italy, D Brazil. Answer is option B Japan.